BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, we have nothing based on 1 hour chart to discuss. The only thing is, if we compare to my last analysis, we get this small corrective move. Okay. Anyway, we prefer to start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on higher time frame. Anyway, as what we expect the price drop. Now we're looking at this. That means this one can tend to more complex correction, and we want to see whether we can get one move up or not, and how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, two way we can look at this. If this one continue and retest this low, we can put this one in relative to each other as a flat, and any reversal from here, we can expect at least to retest the top of break. But if the price reverse from here, mostly we can expect the price to tag this top or move a bit higher, even tag or not. Then we get the internal flat for one more drop before we get the next move. That means if the price reverse from here, we can expect this one to be internal correction as a 1, 2, 3 as a flat in relative to this for one more drop before we get the reversal. That means it can be more complex. Okay, and if the price reverse from here, even we can expect the price move a bit higher before we get the drop, because it depends what type of the flat we can get. Even what I want to see is that even if the price move from here, maybe the price cannot tag this top. Okay, that's why it depends whether we can get the price can reverse from here, or we can expect the price to retest the previous low before reverse, because we will have a uh, different way we can look at this. And if I wanted to, and based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup right now. And if I move to 1 hour chart, the way it's moving, we don't have any trade setup. That means either we cannot look for the sell or buy right now, because if we want to look for sell, we need to be here for quite a longer time to get the correction for down move. Okay, but I don't think so. Even we get the sell setup, we can get a really good trade setup simply because of this and almost near to the previous low. That's why if we get any buy setup, we can look for buy. Anyway, we don't have the buy setup. We just wait and we want to get the bigger correction. Then from there, we can confirm what's the next. Okay. And the question is, can we expect this one turn to similar to what we have here for the internal correction, flat for one more drop? Also, we need to be aware of this, because I mean, we cannot put this one in relative to this simply because of the size. Okay, this is one also can be another option. But anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The best thing is we wait and see what we get here. Then from there we can make a decision. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.